'Tis that time of the year again. You'll go down the bakery and they're baking so many pasties they ain't got time to season them proper. And everywhere, visitors, pasties in hand. They to make all these newfangled flavours like steak and Stilton, pork and apple. What's the other one? Chicken balti. We'll be having haggis flavour next. I checked all the flavours, by the way. We don't bother with them till the winter. They're a bit sam-sazzled. That means they ain't cooked proper. 'Tis that time of the year again. You'll be down the supermarket and the place is full of visitors going up and down along the aisles with dirt trolleys full with enough food to last them to the Day of Judgment. And I'm only here for 2 weeks. And there you are, going like a skeiner, stuck behind them at the checkout with your bread and milk, with no chance to get by. 'Tis that time of the year again. You'll be down the town and somebody'll say, "Can you direct me to Fowey?" Yes, I'd say. "Oh, you mean Foy?" I shouldn't start from here. I should go back to Bascoppa. They'd have some trouble with our place names, like Delabally, Delabo, Tinticle, Tintagel, Launceston, Ladson, never to mind Perrin or Wordle. 'Tis that time of the year again. The old A30's cooed back nearly to Devon, with cars nose to tail. They'd to come down in girt cars towing caravans and camper vans. And then 'tis all our little Cornish lanes with girt high edges. They don't know the width of their car. One day I was coming out our lane when this girt car turned in, towing a caravan. I said to myself, "You'll be lucky if you'd have gotten through there, my lover, the way you'd have drive." 'Tis that time of the year again. August is over and the kids have all gone up back to school. The pasties be bread and proper again, and you can get up and down along the supermarket aisles. And the old A30 is not cooed back to Devon anymore with caravans and camper vans. The only thing is, it'll be all the same next year. Right.